Welcome to Unit A-409 at Moon Bay in Key Largo, Florida. No detail has been overlooked in this fully remodeled 2-bedroom, 2-bath, stunning condo. As you go through the large sliding glass doors to the screened-in balcony, the view is why you came to the islands. Just wait until you see it at sunset. The open design of the living area creates a welcoming space where you can relax or gather in front of the large screen TV. The spacious kitchen bar comfortably seats 5 people. The kitchen boasts gorgeous Brazilian blue granite countertops, brand new cabinetry, stainless appliances, and a deep farmhouse sink. The master bedroom is a true retreat with a high-quality king-size bed, thick privacy blinds to ensure a restful night's sleep, and when open, you will enjoy spectacular views. The first of 2 full baths is bright and inviting, with a beautiful glass shower. The guest bedroom includes a comfortable queen-sized bed. Conveniently located just off the main living area, you will find the second full bath, with another beautiful glass shower. A bonus room can be used as an office. The owner spared no expense in creating a space that is both beautiful and functional. Whether you're relaxing in the living room, preparing a meal in the kitchen, or watching the sunset from the balcony, this condo truly feels like a home away from home.
Contact Bare Feet Vacation Rentals for all your vacation needs.